Yes, I once again welcome you to the session. Now I am going to ask you a few questions based on the last session. Okay. So what is meant by photosynthesis? What is meant by photosynthesis? Yes. Excellent. Very good. Then, so what are the sources of fat? Source of fat. Everyone open your mouths. Yes, good. Now, our next topic is test for protein, fat, starch and carbohydrate. You already know that we eat different varieties of food. Yes, we eat different varieties of food, and in our food there are number of nutrients present. So, how to test whether it contains protein, it contains fat? So, there are few simple experiments which is given for you. So, now I am going to do one or two. So, before that I am going to show you some solutions. So, first, this is a big test tube. I hope you all are able to see this. What is this? This is a test tube. Clear? So, see here. This is a test tube holder. These are all the apparatus which is used in chemistry lab. Okay. So, this is a test tube holder. Clear? Next. This is a beaker. What is this? Beaker. Clear? So, then we have some brushes for cleaning these test tubes. There are two sizes of test tube. One is the large one and is the smaller ones. Next, this is a wash bottle. It is filled with water. Clear? If you open this, you are able to get water from this nozzle. Clear? This is called as wash bottle. What is this? Wash bottle. Next, this is called as china dish. What is this? China dish. Clear? Next, we have two solutions here. One is sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Clear? And another one is the calcium carbonate. Okay, then. So, for doing this experiment, we need some, what is this? See here, you are able to see, right? This is powder pulses. So, pulses is the source of protein, right? So, this is powder pulses, and then we have here powdered cashew. What is this? We are going to cook now, right? I am showing you all the ingredients. This is powdered cashews, and then we have here potatoes. What is this? Potato. Clear? Next. So, first we will take the test tube. Then we will add some. See, we are going to add now, right? We are going to add some powder pulses into it. Then we are going to add some water. You are able to see clearly, right? See, we are going to add some water. Yes? Then shake it well. So, now we are going to shake this. Yes? Then we are going to add these solutions. Yes? Next, NaOH. See? Yes? You are going to see violet color, right? So, I will keep this in the test tube holder. See, I have put this in the test tube holder. Now next one we are going to do the test for carbohydrate. So we will test now. So these two solutions are used for testing the presence of protein. Now I don't have iodine solution. So if I get, I'll do it for you. Now we will test whether protein is present in this potato or not. So I'll take 2 pieces of potatoes and add it in the test tube. See, I am adding this pieces of potato in the test tube and some water. Yes. Next I am going to add these 2 solutions into it. Yes. Now we are going to shake it well. Yes. Now I will keep these 2 in the test tube holder. Next I will take one more test tube. Clear? Now first we have added what? We have added what in this? Pulses. Clear? Next we have added pieces of potato. Then we are going to add powdered cashews. See here, powdered cashews I am adding in this and few drops of water. Then these 2 solutions I am going to add there now. Yes. Yes. I am going to shake this well. Yes. Yes, good. So now you are able to see these 3 colors, right? So here this first one has turned to, see here on this top you are able to see that what? Violet color, right? So this turning of violet color confirms the presence of starch in the food, protein in the food material. Clear? So this color transformation of pulses confirms the presence of protein in the food material. So this has not turned and this one is also not violet. So this test confirms the presence of protein. Clear? Next one is test for fat. Test for fat. For that I am going to take 3 papers. See, 3 white papers I have taken. First one I have kept a potato in this and close this paper, okay, and then press it tightly, crush it, okay, keep it there, and then I am going to add the powdered pulses. See, powdered pulses. So added and then fold this and then crush it. Are you able to see, right? Next one. Last, cashews. I am going to add that too. Okay. Added and I am going to fold that too. So, and then crush it well. So I have poured 3 materials into the white paper and then I have crushed it. So now I am going to show you. First what we have done with potato. So we will unfold it. Now see how the paper looks like. See how the paper looks like. Is there any oily patches in the paper? Is there any oily patches in the paper? Say yes or no? No. Then we had put pulses, right? So I am going to open that too. So see whether is there any oily patches? Is there any oily patches in this pulses paper? No. Then at last we have put cashew, right? Now. See, is there any oily patches? Yes? Are able to see, right? Yes? Now this can be confirmed with a matchbox. Now see here. So light can pass through these oily patches. You are able to see, right? Yes. So from this what we can conclude? Potato does not contain fat, and then pulses do not contain fat in it. But cashews contain, see here, oily patches. Cashews contain fat in it. So from this we can conclude that pulses contains protein and then cashews contain fat. So I hope you all clear with this two tests, right? Now we will see that. Next we will have a short recap. First, what we have seen, what is meant by food. We have seen what is meant by food, and then food is nothing but which gives us, yes, energy. Then need of food. Need of food, it helps us to grow, fights against diseases, and then maintains body temperature. It gives energy to do work. And then nutrients. The components present in the food are called as nutrients. And then we have seen types of nutrients. What are the types of nutrients? Totally there are how many types? 6 types. Right? Carbohydrates, proteins, water, minerals, vitamins, and then fat. Yes? Then what are the sources of those nutrients also we had seen. We have done an experiment also. Yes? I hope you all would have liked this. Then this is the, and I hope you also like these homeworks also, right? So try to answer all these questions. Write this in your classwork note. Clear? Write the questions and write the answers. So your first question, name 2 foods each rich in. The food which is rich in fat, 2 food items, and then starch and then protein. And then next one, which vitamin is required for maintaining good eyesight? So I have taught all this in a part 1 and 2. So just go a recap of that also. Next, what are the components of food? What are the components of food? And then what are the functions of food? So answer all these questions. Write the answers in a classwork. So next. So I thank you all for listening this class patiently. So try to do your work. Be home. Be safe. And then I have given you an activity in the last class, right? Are you able to remember it or not? I have given you an activity to do at home. Yes? Today is the last day for sending your photos. I said or not? Yes. So just complete it. Take a snap of it. Send it through WhatsApp without fail everyone. Clear? So thank you students. We will meet in the next class.